Hi, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. This is Shachi from CyberGyms. In this video, we'll go over how to customize the header layout of your WordPress website. Don't worry, you can edit and design everything from the customizer of Responsive without touching code. The header section lets you easily design and edit any aspect of your header with a simple configuration. In this video, we'll be using the business template header for demonstration. Let's dive in. So in Customizer, go to Header section. This opens a variety of customization settings for your header. As you see, the logo and menu are already added with one-page business template. If you want to upload your own logo, click on the pencil icon on the left of the logo and it will take you to the logo upload section of Customizer. Check our video on how to edit the logo for your WordPress website. Similarly, to edit the menu of your website, click on the pencil icon before menu. You can choose your menu from drop-down. You can add more items to the menu from here. Do check out our navigation menu guide for more details. Now let's go back to our header layout settings. Once you have your logo and menu ready, you can customize the position with the header layout option. It provides three options. You can put your logo on left and menu on right with logo left option. The logo center option will keep the logo and menu in center, one below other. And with logo right, you can put the logo on right and menu on left. By default, it is set to logo left. Now that you have your header layout ready, you can change the position of menu above or below header with header position setting. Keep the position default for logo left and logo right layout. You can choose whether to have a container width or full width header with header width configuration. As you can see, the container width will keep the header width restricted in the container and the full width will stretch the header. With header padding option, you can configure space around the header. Well, it's time to bring out your inner Picasso. Let's add color to header. You can add color to the border with border bottom color setting. Choose a color and you will see it immediately in the preview. Don't like the plain white color of header? You can paint it with header color option. Just click on select color and pick your favorite color from the header background. In this case, the menu has different background color which we can change from menu tab in header. And there you go. If you are showing the header site title and description, you can change the color using the site title and site description color setting. By the way, you can also make your header sticky by enabling sticky header option in Extras, Theme Elements. And once you are ready with your masterpiece, just hit the Publish button and magic! You have your header layout ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.